That is, we have to start with the ogives, median graphs. That is, we call as median graphs are called as ogives. So there are two types of ogives are present. One is less than ogive, and another one is more than ogive. So now first is less than type. So in less than type ogive, here only one difference, one thing you are doing, that's whatever you're doing normally in median part, finding cumulative frequency, but the class intervals you have to take less than value. Class interval you have to write as less than value. So question, I will take 1 second. Hundred to 120 values are given. 100 to 120 class intervals. 120 to 140. 140 to 160. 160 to 180 till 200. 180 to 200. Frequencies are given 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Okay. So in this case, how to form the coordinate? First, we have to get the coordinates, and then we have to plot those on the point graph paper. So for this less than, we have to convert this class interval into less than type. So I already told you in median how to do less than value. Less than, always the upper limit. So always while writing less than, you have to write upper limit. Upper limit is 120, less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, and less than 200. Okay, so now these values are there. For that, finding the class frequency, so that frequency will be class cumulative frequency. Now you have to find out, so less than 120 means which values? Less than 120, what will be the frequency?
12.
Yes,
12.
12, right?
Yeah.
Then less than 140 means?
26.
Less than 140 means including 100 to 140. So that means addition of all those, 26. Less than 160 means addition of all three. That is 26 plus 8. That is 34.
34.
Then less than 180 means
40.
40.
40.
And then
50.
finally 50. So now for
50.
drawing graph, we need a coordinates. For drawing graphs, we need a coordinate. Those coordinates are upper limit and its class frequency. 120 and 12. 140 and 26. 160 and 34. 180 and 40. And 250. So these are the coordinates we have to plot on the graph and join them with a free hand. So here values are 120 to 200. So initial values we are not supposed to show. So we have to show kink. Leave 1 centimeter gap and then start with 120 till here. Means it is initial value is 100. So one value, 1 centimeter distance you have to keep it, and then you have to start. 120, then 140, 160, 180, 200. And these values are till 50. So we can write it as values are 12, 26, 34. So start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So with 120, what is the value? Coordinates are 120 and 12. This is 120, 12 somewhere you will get it here. This is first point. Second point, 140 and 26. This is 140, 26 is somewhere here. I'm drawing all approximate values. You have to plot on the graph properly. 160 and 34. 160 and near about here 34. Then 180 and 40. 180 and 40. 250. Like this. Here it is. Okay. So like this, you will get the points. So you have to join them with freehand curve. Don't use scale. So starting with earlier value, 120, you have started all the points. So you have to start from x-axis. So 120 is earlier value is 100. So start from 100 and join with a straight line. Straight line but with hand. Like this you have to draw. So this way you will get the curve. These curves are called as ogives.
Ma'am, why is it
Median.
with freehand, ma'am?
Yeah.
We can draw with scale only.
No, you are not supposed to draw with scale.
Ma'am, this is known as parabola, right, ma'am?
No, parabola is this.
Oh.
This is a straight line only, curve line. Okay, yes.
Ma'am, when we draw with freehand, ma'am, like if we start from 100 to the first point, ma'am,
Yeah.
then like one of us will draw in like proper way, and then another person might like take another little more bigger curve, right? So the values might
Curve
change.
you're not taking. Actually, with the hand, you are drawing a straight line itself. But you are not showing it with the scale. That is only the difference. You are actually doing it as a straight line only. You are not making these curves like this or this. So it is directly this point and this point is there. Join it with a straight line, but hand drawing. Scale you are not using.
Ma'am, like is there
Can you scroll a little bit up, ma'am?
1 second. Yes.
is there any reason for not using scale?
That is, it is a curve you have to draw. So scale means it will not be a curve then, no?
Okay. Okay.
And by that way, and what happens that you here you are finding only median. So quartiles also it is actually found out from this graph. You don't have that one. So upper other than this median part you are not supposed to draw. Many other things can be calculated from these values. This
Okay.
graph.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, lower quartile, upper quartile also can be found out. So that is a different part which can be done from the graph itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now here, this is the graph we are drawing. Scale properly you have to mention. Scale carries half marks. On x-axis and on y-axis what you are taking that you have to mention. And one more thing is from this one how to find out graph of median value. From this graph how to find out median now. For median find n. What is n here? 50 is the n value. That is the total sum of all frequencies. Total sum of all frequencies is 50. So therefore n is 50. Then take n by 2 value is 25. On y-axis 25. Where is the y-axis 25? Here. From this line, from this 25 mark, you have to draw the line horizontal, intersecting the line, intersecting that ogive. From that point of intersection, draw the perpendicular on x-axis. Mine is not straight line. So here exact value. So this point, this coordinate of this point is the median part. So what you have to do, first find out n value, then take n by 2, that is 25, from mark 25 on y, always on y axis. Draw horizontal line intersecting ogive. From that point of intersection, Draw perpendicular to x-axis. Draw perpendicular to x-axis. The coordinate of that point is median. So this point is coordinate is the median. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in graph paper, like when you connect the 25 and perpendicular, ma'am, you're getting 140 as this thing, ma'am, like median.
Then very good. That means I was very right. Approximate value 1 or 2 decimals, it's okay. Here and there, if it happens, doesn't matter. Because it is a personal error.
Okay. So it's on 140. It's okay, no, ma'am?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
These are 3-mark sums, ma'am.
3 to 4. Only one ogive is asked in a one graph, 3 mark. But if both of them can be asked in the same graph, then it will be for 4 mark.
Ma'am, they will give the less than the upper limit.
No,
thing,
you
right?
have to draw that. Class intervals and frequency only will be given.
Oh, okay then.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Tenth, no change in the syllabus. In maths and science at least.
Not even one chapter, ma'am.
Not even one chapter. Because it is not that much time is not needed, no. So you, if you start the school, this one, school will also start reopen in June, then also it can be done easily. It will not be that much problematic part. So there is no changes given.
Ma'am, what if they...
Geography, they have changed it. They already have changed that one. That last year they have done already.
What if it continues till September, ma'am? September,
No, the online classes are already going on, so it will not be that much problematic.
Ma'am, it seems that schools will start only in August end or something, like many people are telling.
School will reopen.
I'm not sure if
physically.
it's correct.
Yeah, that's right. In August only the school will reopen. The problem is the online classes will continue. That is a guideline by CBSE. So it will keep on going happening.
Oh.
Ma'am, but people in rural areas and all don't have online
They have
class.
already started.
Ma'am, even rural areas, online class.
Yes, started already. They also have started. Not that much effectively, but yes, there also it is started.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in graph, like when I'm taking the x-axis part, ma'am, like it's coming too close to each other. So can I take two blocks?
Two blocks? Why?
Gap, ma'am. Like
No,
it's
not
too
needed.
close, ma'am.
No, it will not be that much close. Which value you have? X-axis 120,
Yes, ma'am.
140.
Yes,
Fine,
ma'am.
that's not a problem.
Okay.
You can make it close. When you take it more this one away from each other, then the values will vary.
Okay, ma'am.
Your median value will vary a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Scroll down.
This much only.
No, down here written something.
The median. Okay, that. Right. And most of the rural schools have been this one. They have taken they have connected to this one urban area schools. So from there they have started doing work. Some of the places it is already started. Some of the places not done. Completed? Nishant, you have graph papers? I don't think so. Nishant?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how do we know like to which point we'll connect the bottommost line of the ogive?
Well, from where it is started, here whatever started, so before that line. Now here, how much is the difference? In between 120 and 140, difference is 20. So you have to start from 20 value earlier. And from point 0.
Oh, okay. At 120 minus 20, like that.
Yeah, minus 20 you are doing. If it is starting from 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So that means difference is 10. So before 0, what is the value?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. So on the this one y-axis is other side of this one. So here it is 0 will come. So here minus 10. So you are starting from that point.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so like whatever's the
Differences. Least value.
Minus the difference.
Minus the difference, right.
Okay.
And it is always started with the from x-axis. You have to start always from x-axis. It should not be hanging somewhere. The graph should not be hanging somewhere. It should be, or it should always touch x-axis.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The next is more than ogive. More than type ogive. In this case, same value I will take. 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and 180 to 200. Values are, what are the values? 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. These are the frequencies. Now we have to convert this class interval into more than value. So more than which value should come in this class? 100 or 120?
100.
100.
100, because more than, that means the value should be lesser value. So that is more than 100, more than 120, more than 140, more than 160, and more than 180. More than 100 means what all frequencies will come? More than 100 means what all frequencies will come? Yes, Mithun?
More than 100, all frequencies.
All the frequencies are more than 100. More than 120?
The rest of the four things, ma'am.
14, 8, 6 and 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
More than 140?
8, 6, 10.
8, 6, 10. More than 160?
6, 10.
6 and 10. And more than 180?
10.
10. So that means more than 180, value is 10. More than 160 is sum of these two. That means add this 2. So it will come 16. Now more than 140 means
20,
all three terms. So 16 plus 8,
24.
that is 24. Then more than 120 means addition of all of them. So 24 plus 14, that is 38. And more than 100 means all of them. So 38 plus 12, that is 50. So in this case, when you are doing more than type ogive, at that time you have to do the cumulative frequency, but from bottom to top. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are doing it, cumulative frequency you are finding out, but from the last to first. And then coordinates: 100, 50, 120, 38, 140, 24, 160, 16, 170, sorry, 180, 10. Now plot these points on the graph. You will get decreasing curve.
Should we do it in a different graph? In the
Yeah.
next one?
Not doing the same graph. Actually, you have to do in a different graphs, but here right now do it in the same graph paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I want to explain the third part that can be explained by when they are drawn in the one class only, one graph only. So 0, this one kink, it is 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. So here values are from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Now what are the values? 100 value, 100 x value, y value is 50. So that means here. Then 120, 38. So 120, 38 might be here. Then 140, 24. 120, 24 somewhere here. 160, 16. So here. 180, 10 at this position. Okay, so join it with the straight line but with hand, no scale. Now here 180 you got, but finally you have to touch it to the x-axis. So after 180, next value is 200. So touch it 200 with the straight line. So here it should touch x-axis. So this is the ogive, more than type. It is always the downward curve. Then n by 2, same part of median. For finding median, median is n is equal to 50. N by 2 is equal to 25. So from 25, draw horizontal line. And then from that point, draw the perpendicular on x-axis. So whatever the value you will get on the x-axis, that is the value of median.
Ma'am, again it's coming on 140 in the same graph if you do.
Right then.
Okay.
So where are the two graphs intersect? Where the two graphs intersect?
Intersect at 24, ma'am. Like 24.
That means some curve difference has been done. It should intersect at 25.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for all the questions, the less than and more than that will be same only, no, ma'am, the median.
Yes. No.
Ma'am, because
Yes, ma'am. It,
Yeah,
it
less
should.
than for the same data. Yes, it is same.
yeah, that's what.
Ma'am, it does intersect at 25, ma'am. Yeah, 25.
Yeah. So now when question is asked three types. One is find the less than curve and find the median. Draw the less than curve and find median. Second question, draw the more than curve and median. And then finally, one of the question is both the curves in the same data. Same data, same curve, this one less than type also and more than type also you have to draw. And then you have to find the median from that. So if you have less than and more than ogive in the same graph, they asked us to draw both the curves in the same graph. That is 4-mark question. One will go like this, another will go like this. So it will touch like this way. So they intersect at point. So this x coordinate of this point of intersection, x coordinate of point of intersection is the median. What is x coordinate at this point? So for finding x coordinate, you have to draw the perpendicular on x axis. So this value is the median part. X coordinate is also called as
Abscissa.
abscissa. So abscissa of point of intersection is called as median. Okay, so three types of a question based on this part. So draw this curve.
The chapter is over, ma'am.
Yep.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the one where it goes from top
That's all,
to
ma'am. That's
from
all is the
bottom to
chapter.
top.
What?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the part where you have to take the median from the bottom to top, like 10, 6, 8, 14, 12. I didn't understand that part.
So more than value you have to calculate. Frequency more than 180. So in which class it will lie? Bottom one. So it
yeah.
is more than 180 means only 10 values. More than 180s are there.
Yes, ma'am.
More than 160s are.
180. Like that 160.
That means 160 to 180 also and 180 to 200 also.
Yeah.
So that means in more than 160, that means you have to include both the frequencies.
Yeah.
So therefore we have added them.
Oh, okay.
Then more than 140 means including all the three frequencies. So you have added those three.
Oh, okay. So only when they're asking to find the more than value, then
then only you are doing from bottom to last to first.
Oh, okay.
And then the coordinates are lower limit and the cumulative frequency.
Cumulative frequency. Okay. That I understood, ma'am. Only that when to take the top from bottom to top. That part only I didn't get.
Okay.
Ma'am, both the lines meet on the graph at 24, ma'am, for me.
Yeah, somewhat personal error can happen. Human error can happen.
Okay.
Ma'am, next week chapter are we starting?
Trigonometry.
Okay.
Ma'am, but some errors in the exam, ma'am.
So it can be considered. If the answer is 138, it can be considered till 136 and 140. for graphs.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, actually, I did not understand when do we use the third one.
Which third one?
Ma'am, the two lines joining together.
If the graph is told in the question, they have told draw both more than and less than curve.
Okay, ma'am.
Both the questions in a one graph. One for one single data, they have asked to draw both of them in the question.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Then only that will come. And whenever that kind of a questions will come, in that case, instead of taking n by 2 is equal to 25, then drawing horizontal line, you can take directly the point of intersections as x coordinate.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then do you have the graph sheets, no? So do one more question.
By ourselves, ma'am.
No, I'm giving question. From NCERT, I'm giving you. NCERT 3 questions are there only. Okay, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, till 40. Values of 2, 12, 2, 4, 2, 12, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3. These are the frequencies. Draw less than type. Draw both less than and more than type.
Mom, can you scroll up, mom? Still, mom.
Hmm?
Still more, mom. Still more. Mom, in the second case, mom,
Hmm.
the n is 10, no, mom.
No, n is total frequency. So sum of frequencies is n is sum of frequencies. So what is the total sum of frequencies?
50, 50, ma'am.
50.
Okay, mom.
Saptashi, you're drawing.
Yes, ma'am.
Graph is there.
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this chapter, will they ask us to use a particular method to find the mean and all? The mean.
No.
And then if you want to use the graph method, then
No, graphical method is until or unless asked.
okay, yes.
That is, they have to, if it is mentioned, then only you are using graph method for median. This is for median only. Completed?
Ma'am, less than Ajay is completed, ma'am. I'm doing the second one. I mean, the more than Ajay part.
Okay. Okay, done. Now one more formula is there which gives the relation between mean, mode, median. Ogives actually. Anyone has any problem, doubt? Mean, mode, median finding, any doubts?
No,
So this
ma'am.
question,
No,
one
ma'am.
question will be asked for either 3 mark or 4 mark. If one calculation goes wrong, you will lose all marks. So be very careful in this part, in this chapter. Then in the last one value, this empirical formula, it is called as empirical formula, which gives the relation between 3, all mean, mode, median. So that is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. By knowing this value, if it is 1 mark question is asked, mean and median is given, you have to calculate mode. Or either mode and median is given, you can calculate mean. Or mean and mode is given, you can calculate median. So this formula also you have to remember, or sometimes the relation is itself given in MCQ questions. So you need to know. So write down this formula.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you repeat the answer for the previous question?
I got 16.
Ma'am,
You
I
do with
got
the formula.
15.5.
So you do with the formula first. From the formula, find it out.
It's okay, ma'am. We'll find it out.
17.5. So above 16, you should get the answer.
Yes, ma'am. I got 16, ma'am.
Above 16.
I got 16, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the graph is very small, ma'am, so it's very difficult to tell. It's around 16, 17, something like that only.
Okay. Fine. So this is write down the empirical formula. So question can be asked for 1 mark. For a certain data,
Ma'am, if you would have told this yesterday itself, we would have solved it using this formula, ma'am.
no, you
The
cannot do that
homeworks.
one. No, you cannot do with this
No,
method.
ma'am.
No, that is a
Oh,
4 marker question. You have to solve all 3. You cannot use this formula. You will
Oh.
not get exact answer for solving
okay.
part. Only this formula you are using for MCQ 1 mark question if they have asked, then only you are using this formula. Otherwise, no.
Okay.
You are not supposed to use this formula if the question is given to find mean, mode, median, all 3 together.
Okay.
At that time, you are not using this. For a
Okay,
certain data, mode and median, mean are 12K and 14K. Find median of the same data. So it is formula mode plus 2 mean is equal to 3 median. So therefore mode is 12K plus 2 into 14K is equal to 3 into median. So it is 12K plus 28K, that is 40K is equal to 3 into median. Then it is 40K, so 40K by 3 is equal to median. So that is 13.33K is the value of median. Okay.
Ma'am, can mode and mean be in numbers